Hey, welcome back, Bellaras. Tired of dealing with dark circles? Don't worry, I've got a simple, all-natural solution for you. Today, we're making an easy DIY mask to brighten your under eyes and reduce puffiness using simple ingredients. Let's get started. Before we start, let's make some fresh potato juice. Take a small potato and peel it. Grate the potato using a fine grater. Then place the grated potato in a clean cloth or a sieve and squeeze out the juice into a bowl. And that's it! Your fresh potato juice is ready to use in this mask. Now let's mix everything together. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder to a small bowl. Coffee helps reduce puffiness and boosts circulation. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. It's a natural anti-inflammatory that lightens dark circles. Finally, slowly add the potato juice until you have a smooth, thin paste. Potato juice is packed with natural enzymes and vitamin C, which helps lighten pigmentation and brighten the skin. Now, it's time to apply the mask. Gently apply a thin layer of the mixture under your eyes. Be careful to avoid getting too close to your waterline. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry and follow up with your favorite under eye cream or moisturizer. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Over time, you'll notice brighter, more refreshed under eyes. If you try this mask, share your results with us. I'm excited to hear how it works for you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips and DIY remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!